sunglasses, skirts. We're gonna head to dinner. The way I'm going to sleep, like I've never slept in my life in this room. Hi you guys, Matt and I just arrived after a long travel day to Napa with Classy Network. We're on a brand trip here with them. We're staying at a Four Seasons and I am literally in shock, I think, you guys. This is one of the nicest rooms I've ever seen in my life. I'm gonna give you a little tour. Okay, the lighting's a little bit questionable, but when you walk in, there's this insane bar right here. It has like a nice cement countertop, which I really like. First walked in, this is a little powder bath. Like we have our own bathroom. This one's just like for guests, I'm assuming. I don't know. They have Le Labo and I'm like, wait, these are glass bottles of it. Like we're taking that. I mean, we'll pay for it. You're allowed to do that at hotels like this. But it has a nice shower right here too. But then you go into the living room. It's so dark in here, so it's not gonna focus. I don't think you can tell, but that's a Vineyard right there. Okay, I'm on the other side of the living room, but it has a little day bed right there, which is so cute. And then a little like nook bar situation. There's a fireplace, TV over there. And in this bar situation, they set up with our favorite snacks. So I said Doritos, Pop-Tarts, San Pellegrino for Matt, and then Dr. Pepper for me. Love that they did the minis. And then our little itinerary, which is so fun. We also have a cute little patio out here, but look at the view. Okay, and then this is the doors to our room. You can shut those, and this bed is so beautiful. I walked in, oh, this is my sweatshirt. I walked in and they had the bed all set up with these graphic tees and then some clothes in the bed, clothes here from them, and then all of this stuff right here, scrunchies, sunglasses, this custom necklace that says my name and has pearls on it. Oh, I didn't even notice. This little postcard. Like they have coffee table books and like full drawers. Like who's staying here for weeks? And this is our bathroom. I literally can't believe this. Matt is going through his closet. But it, like this marble waterfall, I thought I was over the waterfall thing, but like this is doing it right. So cute. Like a couple skincare products, didn't overdo it. And then I was looking at myself in this mirror and I saw that little decal, which was so cool, but I'm like, what is this? They left dresses, skirts, pants, and then some zip ups too. I'm gonna send some of this to y'all. The most insane bathtub. Super cute shower. Potty's there. I'm just so excited. Good morning, everybody. Can you go over here? Oh my God, same spot as you were in Michigan. Twinning them. I woke up feeling better. I got 9 hours of sleep and that is like unheard of for me. So I think that's off to a good start. I don't think my AC is working in here, so I was running a little bit hot, but nothing too crazy. We have two little like vineyard tours today, so I'm getting ready. This is like I think my like cutest outfit that'll wear because tomorrow we're going on a hot air balloon ride. I don't know if I just said that, but I'm really nervous for it. It's just like, that's huge for me. Very anxiety inducing, but I want to do it. I want to conquer the fear. My therapist would be so proud, and that's what we're going for. So I feel like it's a once in a lifetime thing and I don't want to let that slip by, but I am excited. There are, I don't know if you follow, let me try to adjust the settings. I don't know if you guys follow Chatty, but she's here and I was so excited when I saw her name. And I didn't know this, I thought maybe she would, but she brought my friend Taylor. We're all like mutual friends on TikTok and they seem like some of the most genuine people in the world, and I'm so excited to meet them. And the other girls I'm like not mutual friends with, and I'm just really excited to meet. I feel like it's so fun to meet people that you didn't know, or especially that do your same job. I just realized I didn't do my eyebrows. Oh, I feel like the trip from TJ Maxx, or the trip with TJ Maxx to New York, it made me really not nervous for things like this. Like I don't feel nervous to meet everyone and feel like, oh, I hope everyone likes me and I hope it's not awkward and stuff. Like I know that good people will be nice, and if not, then that's their problem, which I don't think. I just have had a really good experience with everyone that I've met. I'm really grateful for that, and I just feel like if someone isn't like that, then must be their character and not mine. So that's how I'm feeling about it. I'm really excited to meet everyone. I feel like when you find a company that chooses you for something like this, hopefully they can see like your values. And anyhow, I'm running late as per usual. What time is it right now? 8:45. I gotta be out there by 9:45. And my makeup doesn't take long, but for me, taking a video for TikTok takes forever and my hair takes a little while, so running a little bit on time. I'm using the e.l.f. brow glue. It's the best brow product when I'm in between my getting them laminated. I think that it is literally the best price, best product that you can get for your brows. Oh my god, something that I found really interesting was that Matt said the privacy please sign at where the Four Seasons, it says that like they reserve the right to come in every 24 hours to make sure that the room is up to standard, which is really interesting. I've never heard of that before, but anyways, I just don't like when people come in and look at my stuff or around my stuff. I'm so weird like about my stuff, but when you're at a good resort it'll be fine. But I'm still feeling a little nauseous. I'm gonna take some ginger pills because I did that yesterday in the drive here and it made me feel a lot better. But I also have been watching Summer House non-stop instead of working, and I need to not do that. I'm gonna play Summer House and watch the rest as I get ready. I'll just do a time lapse on here. Okay, I don't think I showed my outfit when I was done, but we just went to a winery, the first one of the two. It's so beautiful here. And now we're headed to the second winery. I promise I'll take some clips. I just get nervous.
So tilt that glass. There we go. The more you tilt, the more I get into your glass. Right there.
That's what my husband said.
Is he a double G? Yes.
I tilt.
No, you have to look at this. Look at that kind of control.
I like this.
Camera one and
I really do want to watch this though.
Oh, you want to ride? Here we go.
It's really good.
Look at those nails, huh?
Let's find out and see. Cardi B, honesty. Don't give a fuck about who they find me.
Okay, Matt and I are about to head to dinner. I wanted to order room service and Matt said,
Hell no.
he said, we're going to dinner, honey. I said, okay.
We can get room service in the afternoon tomorrow.
Oh, well, look at our view. Like, look at the grapes. Can you see the damn grapes? This is just, I don't even drink and it's magical. Look at them. They're so cute. Cassidy said she saw a jackrabbit. I don't know if she was messing with me or not, but it's the cutest little place. We do have a height difference, don't we?
I know, it seems extra right
Yeah, it does. Oh, you look so cute. I look like a turd. I'm extra tired, but we have to get up at 4:45 for the hot air balloon ride. And how are you feeling about it?
I don't know. I'm honestly more intimidated and nervous than I feel like I was when I was skydiving.
I feel better now that I talked to everyone and they were like, oh yeah, I feel a little nervous about it. It made me feel like, oh, yeah, it's just human nature to be nervous about it, but it's gonna be great.
It'll be so fun.
Yeah, it'll be great. I'll recap the day when we get home. You gotta remind me to do that. Okay, we're gonna head to dinner. Okay, you guys, we're just walking the property a little bit. Matt wanted to show me the villas that are over here. We just got done with dinner. And look at the grapes. I'm so obsessed with the grapes. I love the grapes. I love them. Look at this tree. Whose tree is this? Who planted this? Okay, what did you have for dinner and what would you rate it?
Oh no, filet mignon.
Yeah.
It was so good. Probably a 9 out of 10.
Okay.
On the steak scale.
Okay.
Truffle fries.
Okay.
Unreal. 10 out of 10 for fries.
Yep.
And we had a caprese salad.
Yeah, is it caprese? Or caprese? I had.
I don't think we were actually supposed to be walking this way.
Oh.
This is said staff only.
Perfect. Okay, we're breaking the rules. I had triangoli. And, oh yeah, there's cameras right there. Hello. Anyways, I had triangoli.
Where are we going?
Home.
We're not going home.
Yeah.
It's not this way.
Oh my gosh. We had triangoli and it was okay. It had like a lemon sauce to it. And I think that I don't react well to lemon sauces. So I had my husband eat it.
It's pretty good.
So I just had the truffle fries. and it was very good. We already said we're getting up at 4:45 a.m. so I'm about to hit the hay. Okay, I will give maybe a synopsis before bed of the day. Huh?
These ones are the big ones.
Oh, Matt wants me to show you the big ones. The big houses to rent. He said they're $7,000 a night. Oh, it's not focusing. Oh, it's just like its own little like neighborhood.
You got a garage. It's freaking sick.
Yeah, that's pretty cool. I wonder if people rent them for like extended periods of time.
I bet. I would freaking live here if I could. And $7,000 a night though.
I like this tree. You are literally kidding me. We're gonna, no, I can't. I'm gonna throw up. How are you feeling?
I'm not as nervous as I thought I was gonna be.
I've gone to the bathroom like 3 times. Oh, it's huge.
Oh, it's massive.
I don't know about this. I'm gonna do it though. I'm gonna do it. We'll see you up there, if I see you at all.
The subtraction works.
Oh, perfect. Wait, this is so cool.
Yeah.
Are you okay?
Yeah.
This is crazy. Yeah, it's beautiful. That's crazy.
Disco kind of supported the market headed north.
The one in Aspen. Or Aspen. Yeah. Napa.
Oh my gosh, I look rough. Okay guys, we're at the pool. We're both trying to get some work done. Matt just jumped in and did like a lap. I am dozing and I'm trying not to fall asleep. I want to get some work done before, but they're opening the kitchen and I need some food before, so I'll show you the pool though. I've been a bad vlog today. We're walking to dinner. Here's the outfits. Well, you can't really see them. Hopefully I'll show you more later. Sad, we've actually loved this group of people. We spent all day at the pool with everyone. Can you see me?
I could do that every day for the week.
It was fantastic. Food, great. Atmosphere, great. People, great. What an incredible brand. Okay, we just got to the dinner. We're having little pictures, content, video sessions. Sounds really cringy and influencery because it is. Little pictures and stuff going on over here. Dinner, Matt's in there. Okay, here's our little dinner. Taylor was just taking pictures of us. It's so cute. You're kidding. Hey girls, we're home and the camera's about to die. And I don't think I told you this, but I forgot the camera charger in Michigan. So it's flashing at me right now. I think this might be the end of the vlog. Here's a little outfit if you haven't seen it, but I love you guys so much and thank you so much for watching this and supporting me so I can go on things like this. I'll never stop being grateful for it, and I'll see you in the next vlog. I love you guys so much.